Hello everyone, welcome to the history class. In this video, I'll be starting with the theme 3 of class 11th history, that is an empire across 3 continents. In this entire theme, we'll be studying about the Roman Empire. Now in this map, you can see the red area marked around the Mediterranean Sea. Now this was the extent of the Roman Empire. It was around the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean Sea was the heartland of this empire. The Roman Empire covered territories that included most of Europe, large parts of Fertile Crescent, and North Africa. There are various sources from where we get the information about this empire. These important sources can be divided into 3 groups: texts, documents, and material remains. Textual sources includes histories of the period written by contemporaries. These were usually called annals because the narrative was constructed on a year-by-year basis. It also includes letters, speeches, sermons, laws, and etc. Documentary sources included inscriptions and papyri. Papyri was basically the writing material. It was written by papyrus, which was a reed-like plant that grew along the banks of river Nile in Egypt and was processed to produce a writing material that was very widely used in this area, in this region. Thousands of contacts, accounts, letters, and official documents survived on papyrus and have been published by scholars who are called papyrologists. Material remains includes buildings, monuments, and pottery, coins, mosaics, even the entire landscape through aerial photography. These are some of the pictures of the monuments of Roman Empire. Such mighty buildings they have constructed. Two mighty or powerful empires ruled most of the Europe, North Africa, and Middle East in the period between the birth of Christ and the early part of 7th century. These were the empires of Rome and Iran. They were rivals and fought against each other. Now in this map you can see the area around the Mediterranean Sea. This region was the Roman Empire. The eastern part of the Roman Empire was called Byzantine Empire, and the area marked below the Caspian Sea in orange color was the region of the Iranian Empire or the Persian Empire. Here Sassanid dynasty, its extent is shown in the map. Rome dominated the Mediterranean and it was heart of the Roman Empire. To the north, the boundary of the empire was formed by 2 rivers, the river Rhine and Danube. To the south, by the huge expanse of desert of Sahara. Iran controlled the whole area south of Caspian Sea down to eastern Arabia.